तो स्टूडेंट ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, राइट। इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए स्टूडेंट, आपको गिवन है a b c belongs to real number such that a less than b less than c, and you have to find which of the following is or are true for any continuous function from real number to real number satisfying f of a equal to b, f of b equal to c, f of c equal to a. Then there exists alpha belongs to a to c such that f of alpha equal to alpha. There exists beta belongs to ab such that f of beta equal to beta, right? तो ये क्वेश्चन बेस्ड है कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन पे, राइट, एंड इंटरमीडिएट वैल्यू थ्योरम पे, राइट स्टूडेंट। तो देखिए कैसे करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। तो यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन हमें गिवन है f फ्रॉम रियल नंबर टू रियल नंबर, राइट। एक हम नया फंक्शन डिफाइन करते हैं स्टूडेंट, फंक्शन का नाम है g फ्रॉम रियल नंबर टू रियल नंबर, राइट, सच दैट g of x इक्वल टू f of x माइनस x, राइट। तो चलिए अब हम फाइंड करते हैं g of a। तो g of a की वैल्यू क्या होगी स्टूडेंट? g of a इक्वल टू f of a minus a, right? And what is the value of f of a? F of a, it is given the value of f of a is, it is given f of a equal to b, right? In place of f of a, we can write f of b minus a. Sorry, the value of f of a is b, okay? So we can write b minus a, right, which is greater than 0 because it is given a less than b less than c. That means the value of b is more than a, that means b minus a is positive number, right? So we can say g of a is a positive number, right? Now let us find g of c, right? What is g of c? Now g of c means f of c minus c. What is the value of f of c? The value of f of c is a, right? So in place of f of c, I can write a minus c. Now, because a is less than c, that means a minus c will be negative number, right? So from first equation and second equation, what we find? We find the value of g function at point x equal to a is positive, and the value of function at x equal to c is negative. That means there must exist x belongs to a to c such that g of x equal to 0. And now what is g of x? G of x means f of x minus x. How I said that? Because we define a function, because here we define a function g of x equal to f of x minus x, right? So we can write f of x minus x equal to 0. This implies f of x equal to x, right? So we must have some x, let it be alpha, belongs to a to c such that f of alpha equal to l. That means the first statement is true. The first statement is true, right? Now, what about the second statement? Now let us try to find the value of f of g of b. Okay, let us define another function. In place of that, to get the value of GBB, let us define another function. Let us define a function h of x from real number to real number such that h of x equal to f of x minus x, right? First, find the value of h of a. What do you get? You get h of f of a minus a. Now, what is the value of f of a? F of a is b. That means b minus a. And now, because b is greater than a, that means b minus a is a positive number. This implies h of a is greater than 0, right? Now, let us find the value of h of b. H of b means f of b minus a, e, right? Now, what is the value of f of b? This is b, right? F of b means c, right? So that is c minus b, which is a negative value. Wait, a is less than b, b is less than c, right? Because c is more than b, that means c minus b will be positive number. Okay, c minus b will be positive number, right? So this implies h of b is greater than 0. Okay, this implies. Now, in this case, because h of a is positive number and h of b is also positive numbers, so in this case, we can't apply the intermediate value theorem, right? So in this case, we can't say. In this case, we can't say. So in this case, we cannot apply intermediate value theorem, right? So we can't say x belongs to a to b such that h of x equal to 0. We can't see this thing. Okay? So we don't have any beta. So we can't say there exists beta such that f of beta equal to beta in the interval a to b. Right, student? So in this case, we say that option A is the correct answer, but we can't say the option B is correct or is correct, right? We are not sure this exists or not for the given function, but we are sure that option A is the correct answer, right? So sometimes this type of question can be asked in your exam. Okay, so be very careful.